Hello, my fellow insurables. I'm Kelli Aerosmith, a licensed life insurance agent with Aero Final Expense. And today we're going to go over, can you buy life insurance on someone without them knowing about it? And be sure to stick with me till the end when you'll know exactly who you can and cannot buy a life insurance policy on. If you're new to my channel, you'll get the best tips, facts, and honest information about life insurance. Please subscribe. So in certain circumstances, you can buy life insurance on someone else. Life insurance is usually bought to protect your dependents or beneficiaries from financial hardship if you were to pass away. And to purchase life insurance on someone else, you'll need not only their permission, but also proof that their death would cause you a financial hardship, which is what insurance companies refer to as insurable interest. In other words, how is there a relationship between you and the insured? Is it a spouse, a partner, a parent, another relative, or even perhaps a business partner? Now, in some instances, it may be hard to prove insurable interest, in which case you would have to show documentation such as business partners, life partners, and non-legally binding relationships. When checking medical history and interviewing the insured, it's usually very easy to prove most family relationships. Now, even though the underwriting process may differ from one insurance company to another, there are several steps that each life insurance company is going to take. So naturally, you'll need to apply. And this usually will include personal questions such as the person's height, their weight, personal habits, as well as their personal medical history. You'll also be required to provide personal sensitive information, such as the other person's date of birth, their social security number, a driver's license number, and other specific information. And whether or not the other person is required to undergo a medical exam as part of the application process, they will be asked for their signature and their consent. Now, if the insurance company does suspect fraud, then the claim will not be paid. Instead, it will be referred to a special department that deals with fraud. They will compare the applicant's signatures to other known signatures, interview family members, and even perhaps involve a private investigator. And if it is discovered that the policy was obtained without consent or signature of the insured, then law enforcement and the courts can become involved. Insurance fraud can be punishable by not only fines, but also imprisonment. Now, of course, purchasing life insurance on someone else can be a wise financial decision. However, you can't take out a policy on a stranger, an ailing public figure, or someone you know that has a high-risk job, but you really have no association with. Now, some of the main reasons you may take a life insurance policy out on someone else is that you and another person are raising a child and have assets such as a home. Life insurance can compensate for any lost income. Whereas on the other hand, you and a business partner or your key employee can have life insurance to preserve the business itself if one of you were to pass away. So while getting life insurance on someone else without their knowledge is not exactly impossible, insurance companies do make it very difficult, which is why they require so much specific information, identification, and of course, the other person's consent. So if you had the bright idea of getting a policy on someone else or a stranger, you're sadly mistaken. And insurance companies make it difficult to commit insurance fraud by utilizing technology and having safeguards in place. So if you have any questions about today's video, or you have a specific topic you want me to go over, please let me know down in the comments. And if you want to continue to get the best tips, knowledge, and honest information about life insurance, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.